I used to ask myself two questions. And the first question was,
Who's the constitutional Rain Man?
and the second question was,
Who's the constitutional Rain Man?
Hi guys. How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Good. The Navy called us. They were concerned with you videotaping the airfield here.
Well, I'm just on a public sidewalk. I'm allowed to do it.
Okay.
There's no broken laws. I don't know why they're all upset.
Okay. Did they come out and talk to you?
No, they just yelled at us.
Did they?
Yep, they just yelled, and I get yelled a lot. They just yell. Everybody yells at me.
You didn't call me?
Everybody's yelling at me. I don't appreciate the yelling. If I wanted yelling, I could stay at home.
Look where I'm mouthing right now.
So, we're not here to break any laws. Could you do me a favor when you leave? Just put on your siren. I love it when I hear it going, oh!
Yeah, friend, that's what I was saying.
You have a good day. Remember, our founding fathers, Albert Einstein said, give me liberty or give me a chocolate bar, and I want liberty.